Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to create contact poster on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just open the dialer app, then tap on the contact section. Now just select all contacts. Now from here, just select the contact for which you want to create a poster. For example, I will select this contact, then tap on edit. Now just select add photo, and from here, just select poster. Now from here, you can select any of these posters, or you can tap on Memoji and you can create a Memoji for this poster. You also have the option of monogram, and you can create a custom monogram for this contact, just like that. You can select any gradient by tapping on this icon. And if you tap on this letter icon, you can change the letter from here. You also have the option of photos. Now, if you tap on photos, you can either capture a photo and set it as the poster of this contact, or you can tap on photo library and you can select a photo from your Photos app. For an example, I will select this photo. Now from here, you can zoom in or out this photo as you like. Now, if you swipe to the left side, you can apply filters to this photo, and some filters have the option to edit them. For example, this filter has the option to edit them. You can change the color of this gradient, just like that. Now, once you're satisfied with your edit, just tap on done. Now just select done, then tap on done. Now, as you can see, we have successfully created a poster for this contact. And this is how you can create contact poster on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.